Yo, what's going on, boys? Welcome back to another video. Today's trading training day 56, and today we'll be talking about analysis paralysis. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, I have, hold on, let me make my cam a little bigger. As you can see, I have 4 things listed, and I think these are the big 4, if you will. Now, obviously, there's more to analysis paralysis than this, but I'm not going to make a 50 numbered checklist here, right? So, these are the big 4 that I feel like really coincide with analysis paralysis. So, let's get right into it. Overloading the chart. Now, this means you're putting every confluence imaginable everywhere, every time you see it. Every trend line, every fair value gap, every high, every low, every swing high, every take profit point, bullish and bearish. Relax. Keep it simple. The only thing you should have on your chart is like the 3 main things you use to enter. And maybe a few, 2 to 3 high time frame confluences. Me personally, I have marked out, this is what I have marked out on the chart. I have high time frame liquidity sweep. If there is a high time frame liquidity sweep, that's going to help me with my entry. I either have that or a high time frame fair value gap. When I say high time frame, I mean 1 hour or 4 hour. I have either a fair value gap marked out, sorry, it's the coffee, or a liquidity sweep for the high time frames. And on the low time frames, the only thing I mark out is what I'm going to enter on. So what would that be? SMT, inverse fair value gap. Cool. And then whenever I'm seeing my entry model form, then I can start marking take profit points. That's all you should do. You don't need to have 30 different confluences marked out on your fucking chart. Relax and keep it simple. Okay? Number 2, waiting for a perfect setup that never comes. There's a difference between being patient and waiting for the setup that never comes. Here is where checklist comes into play. Have a checklist of exactly what you need to enter. Like I just mentioned, what I need is some sort of high time frame liquidity grab, whether that be high time frame fair value gap, high time frame liquidity sweep. Then I can go down to the lower time frames, look for an SMT and an inverse fair value gap. There's my checklist. Whenever I see my checklist fill out, I enter. There we go. That's how you fix it. There's a difference between being patient and waiting for the perfect setup that never comes. There is no perfect setup. There is your setup. Make a checklist and follow it. Okay? Cool. Here's 1 and 2. Let me take a sip of coffee here. I almost choked, I'm not gonna lie. Side note, y'all gotta get these, man. They're pretzels with peanut butter on the inside. Gas. I'm gonna put y'all on. Number 3, second guessing a valid setup. Now, a lot of you will see your checklist play out. You have everything you need. You're not about to trade before news. You got your high time frame liquidity sweep, SMT, inverse fair value gap, and you don't take it. Trust your plan, not your fear. Like number 2 says, well, it doesn't say it, but like we went over with number 2, If your checklist fills out, you enter the trade. Stop being scared. What are you scared of? And this is why we'll get into number 2. Fear of loss after previous mistakes. This is why a lot of you are scared. And why a lot of you second guess a valid setup. Because you have fear of loss after previous mistakes. And the way you get over this, reset your mind. Realize losing is inevitable. Inevitable meaning it is bound to happen. You will lose. You will. 100%. No matter what. You will lose. There is no such thing as a 100% win rate. Yeah, 100% win rate on the week maybe. But no strategy is going to give you a 100% win rate. So get that out of your mind. Realize losing is a part of trading, and it is an opportunity to learn. So stop being scared of losses. Stop being scared to lose. And be at peace with the idea that you will lose, and that you can take that loss and turn it into a lesson, a time to learn, a time to reflect, look back, see what happened. Did you miss something? Is that why you lost? Was it an A+ setup and you lost anyway? These are the big 4, in my opinion. Recap. Overloading the chart. Too many confluences marked out. Keep it simple. Mark out what you need. Alright? I have notes over here as well. 2. Waiting for a perfect setup that never comes. Use a checklist. If your checklist fills out, you enter. Number 3. Second guessing a valid setup. Trust your plan. Trust your checklist. Do not trust your fear. Number 4. Fear of loss after previous mistakes. Reset your mindset. Realize losing is inevitable. You will lose. And there we are. No more analysis paralysis. Lock in. Hopefully you guys took some notes. Hopefully you guys learned something. And what you should take away from this is everything, obviously. But money. Money is focusing on the money is why a majority of this stuff happens. I've said this so many times. Maybe not 1, but 2 for sure, 3 for sure, and 4 for sure. If you can get the idea of money out of your mind, that will eliminate way more possibility of this even happening to you if it hasn't already. And if it has, now you know what you need to work on. Okay? React to the market. Don't predict the market. Okay? That'll be it for today's video. Today's lesson. I like this video. If you guys have any questions, comment, DM me. I'll answer everything I can. And yeah, I'll see you boys on Tuesday. Peace out.